Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Gronert, and today we are going to talk all about assembly expectations. When you walk into the assembly, walk in quietly with your class. Sit down crisscross next to your class cone. During the assembly, be a listener. Look at the speaker and keep your hands and body still. Listen with your ears. Participate in the assembly. Cheer and clap appropriately. Sing, dance, or respond when asked. We can have fun at assemblies when we follow the rules. Thanks for learning about assembly expectations with me today, and I hope to see you again very soon.